It's currently day 3 of the game jam, and I am fucking exhausted. I have done maximum brain power, 8 or more, mostly more hours for the last 3 days. So I've done, like, what, like 10 plus 9, so, like, maybe, like, 32 hours of work the last 3 days. I've done a lot of like odds and ends and like getting the player controller working, but I've also done like a lot of like leadership stuff, like following up with people, be like, "Hey, do you need any help? Do you want me to help you? Do you need any advice?" I've been doing lots of Unity teaching because a lot of the people do other types of coding, but aren't nearly as good as Unity as me, and I can short circuit a lot of that learning and kind of speed everything up. I wouldn't say I'm like discouraged or anything, but we have not made a ton of visible progress last 2 days. Like I know Dan got the character or the enemy controllers working and spawning. I have the main scene working as well as like a starting scene that has like a cool little motion. Here, let me show you. It just looks like this, and I even made the buttons. They're just like curved buttons with some cloud white on them. They're simple as hell, but I don't know. It kind of looks. It's got a vibe to it. I wouldn't pay money for it, but we're not here for that. So I was really hoping to be done today. A bunch of our team works and has like real lives. Unlike me, I'm a stay-at-home child, and mostly I wanted just to be polishing things because it finishes up next Monday, but everybody's just, got a life. But largely, we still don't have the card system in the game. So our game has a dragon and it's a bullet hell, and you do bullet hell things, and then these cards flip out, and you can click on some of them, and some of them trigger, and then they'll change your character to give you power, and that's what happens, and that's kind of how it's unstable. Well, that is not in a level with the player in a working state, nor is it in a level with some enemies that you could shoot at. So that's not good. All in all, I think my dad has some yard work cooked up for me tomorrow, but I'm hoping tomorrow after I finish all that shit up, I can come in and try to integrate the card system with the player, and then hopefully touch base with Dan, the AI guy, and then kind of get the enemies integrated with that. And then we'll have something you could play. Because honestly, I've been talking with everybody, and realistically, it's been a very good learning experience. It's been fun. I hung out with people yesterday. I piled everybody into my house, and we went, "Let's code, woo!" And we're really only aiming for like 5 minutes of good play gameplay. And then it's a game jam game. We spent like, oh god, I actually think we're at like 120 hours, but they were all in a row and going maximum speed. See ya.